When you first receive your Batshield, I'm going to walk you through what should be done. There'll be a little bit of slack in the elastic bands, the tension bands on the front, and you can see there's a little bit of slack here. What you do is place the shield up against your body in this at rest position. Remove each one. Take the slack out. It's not necessary to apply tension. Just take the slack out, lean over, and put it squarely on the surface as you allow the shield to be spread into your legs. That's the proper way to adjust the elastic. From this at ease position, simply pick the shield up to use it and put your hand across the palm, leaving the thumb outside. This is the proper method of carrying it in your shield support hand. The fingers can remain underneath the metallic weapon guide. The only time these fingers need to come up above it is when you tilt it up or tilt it down, such as when you go up a staircase or down a staircase. This is the normal support position. From the at ease position, we'll put the bungee lanyard system on for support of the shield. Note, everything is in red at the end of the nylon strap. Take the red ending and put it either in front of or behind the duty weapon around a secure belt. It could be the duty belt or it could be the pants belt. And attach the Velcro to itself. Now, I'll show the frontal carry position. Depending upon a tactical vest and the size of the officer using the shield, you want to lengthen this longer than halfway, the nylon portion of the lanyard. Then simply place the hand in the strap in the normal shooting carry position. Lift the shield up and extend the arm above the head. Using the strong hand, the weapon hand, take the bungee, duck the head, place it behind the collar, and this is the support position where the weight of the shield is carried over the support shoulder. At this point, you could adjust if it's a little, not enough room and a little excessive tension. Simply take the strap and lengthen it. If you find there's too much slack, simply grab the red ending and pull on it, and that'll shorten it. Now, from the at ease position, I'll show how the shield can be positioned on the back, to be carried on the back. I am hooked up to my belt with the lanyard on the strong side. Simply take the nylon portion, the red ending, and go about halfway. This does not require all the length that's normally you'd need on the front because the lanyard is traveling less distance. Now simply grab the lanyard underneath the bungee portion, underneath where it attaches to the shield itself, towards the center of the shield, and simply lift the shield up and place it on your shoulder. This is a hands-free mode as a citizen or an officer rescue, or a simply stand down, or when you need your back protected. We recommend the metal stay a little above the top of the shoulder if you like, for comfort. And again, that's a simple adjustment on the nylon portion of the lanyard bungee. Now, grasping the shield in the normal carry position, I'll draw a weapon, leaving the weapon on target outside the perimeter of the shield and in from the top. The proper position of the hands and the weapon is very low in the shooting notch. The trigger guard of the weapon should be down and behind the metal. Okay, a lot of officers tend to place their hand out or ride very high. That exposes the hand to live fire, and it also makes for less accurate shooting. You want to keep some hand-to-hand. It's almost a natural shooting position, very close to a normal two-handed shooting position. You should get some skin from both hands together. And as you fire, allow the recoil to come up and down as it recoils. Relax, leave the elbow in near the ribs, take a combat stance, square up with the shield, bend the knees, combat position. Don't bring it in too close, don't go out too far. Just make sure you leave enough room for the slide of the weapon to clear your nose. This would be a good position. Elbow in, combat position, square up, relax. Allow the recoil to come up and down as you fire. Note that a convenient place to store the lanyard is on the extra Velcro up on either side of the hand area on the shield. One feature of the shield, of course, is the foldability and the portability. Using these wing retention devices, it's quite simple to put your hand in and grab the hand strap and carry it in this manner. Now with this manner, by positioning the shield in front of your groin and midsection, you're providing coverage beneath your body armor all the way down beneath the groin area and covering the femoral arteries. Now to utilize the shield and deploy the shield, simply pull this red tab that retains the wings together, and the shield instantly deploys. Draw the weapon on target in from the top combat position, move to threat.